Welcome to the bench. I'm back. It's been trying as always. I have this Star Wars Bandi kit. I got it at Hobby Lobby on clearance. I think it was like $3.99. It's got a TIE Advanced and a fighter. Instructions on the inside. I'm going to put one of these together in this video and do a video for the other one. So we're just going to do this. Maybe have a chat. I don't know. Pause here quietly. We'll see. Okay, so we have A2 here. Looks like some of the TIE Advanced stuff. A3 looks like TIE Fighter things. A4, more TIE Fighter things. And we have A1, the Advanced. And it appears we have one stand. That's weird. Alright, so A1 6, A2 13, and A2 9. So let's get some colors out here. Make sure these are good. They're fine. Alright, so we need this one. This is supposedly no glue. I'll find out. They look molded well. I don't like it when they're like that. Oh, that's not going to work either. So we got that one. We got A2 here. Alrighty. So I wish I would have known that these were more detailed models, because they had a whole slew of them on clearance. A29, which is this one right here. A whole bunch of these on clearance. Even the bigger ones were like less than $5, and I didn't realize it. And I saw the little one. I'm like, oh, you know, it'd be something like a little desktop toy or something. This go the other way. It's got to go like this. So this is no glue required, as I said, or maybe I didn't say. I don't know. It snaps together, so that snapped together pretty good. Got a little bit of a seam line there. Let me see if I can do something about that here. Not a seam line, but the nub from the this nub off here. Man, the double vision is really wrecking my day. Alright, these side pieces I can hit with the sanding stick here. I had a company reach out to me with some soldering equipment. Waiting to hear back from them to see. They claim it's on par with Hatco, and I will find out. So it's gonna go in there like that. Okay, so far so good. Let's see what else we got here. So we need, from A2 we need 11 and 12. So that's right here. So far nicely molded pieces, but I would expect that for you know, something labeled Star Wars, I would think it would be pretty good quality. Not generally the type of models I like to do, but hopefully it makes a good video. So if I have it like this one's 11. 11 goes on the top here. Like so. Okay. Alright, that one's a little loose. Might have to hit that one with some glue. Alright, let's get 12 here. Had some oral surgery last week. Still unable to eat. Super weak from that, but you know, must prevail. Alright, they do key these pretty well, so you can't really do them incorrectly. Alright, so now we need, from A1, we need, oh no, we need A2 7 and A2, A1 2 and A2 7. So it's these pieces right here. Wow. Oh, every time I do stuff, I see how bad I get with the shaking hands and the vision. Worries me. Always been a hands-on kind of person, and it's becoming less and less like that every day. But all we can do is try our best and hope we get through it. That's all we can do. So we need A1 5. A1 5 right here, tiny little piece. Teeny tiny little piecey. Change to a little piece like Grogu. Hey, Grogu's gonna help. Alright. We'll put the pieces in your box of instructions. So I do like how it's all keyed together. Okay. I think I would want to hit that with some glue though. Alright. Okay. We'll see how it is in the end. I might touch it up with a little glue. This should be polystyrene. I would assume it's polystyrene. And it can be glued with styrene glue. Alright, so now we need A14 and A11. So the last couple pieces here. Even this, the difficulty in it is alright. before I attempt to put any glue on anything, I may attempt to paint them. Shouldn't be too difficult to do. Alright, that goes in there like that. This one goes on here, just like so. We got that done there, and then do the same to the other side. If you want to see what's going on, I have a Discord link in the description. Do what you want with that. A little bit of the nubs. I mean, the nubs, they did a good job with them. So you just have a little bit. I've seen worse model kits, I'll tell you. To be honest with you, this is pretty good. The fit and everything is just pretty good. Really good, actually. I can't believe I slip on this type of stuff. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad, little TIE fighter. Let's see here. So we need B, the 3 on here. We'll put it on the stand, and then that will be the end of this. So, little Darth Vader TIE Advanced. Might do more with it in the future. I'll build the TIE Fighter tomorrow. I'm already feeling ill from this. It's just sad, really. Lost my project. Just all kinds of stuff, so goes on there. Goes on there like so. There we go, guys. Oh, TIE Fighter. Boom. Darth Vader for the win, yo. And then eventually you can have them both on the stand, I assume. Yeah. So, we will check that out later. That's going to do it for this one, guys. I'm sorry it's not more exciting and upbeat, but, you know, that's how it goes here. Take care, guys. Have a fantastic day.